Hiya, my name is Adam and welcome to the Marketing is Your Business YouTube channel. Okay, on this channel you will find an absolute ton of information regarding my specialist subject, which is search engine optimization and SEO, web design, and everything related to marketing and especially digital marketing. Although I do a lot of hands-off marketing as well, because when you understand SEO and how it works, it is an all-encompassing thing. You can't just do one bit and expect everything to come from that one area. Okay, so within these videos, you will find loads of stuff on SEO, obviously, search engine optimization, organic work you have to do there. This includes stuff like content marketing, lead magnets, there's all sorts there which I'll be covering, technical SEO, backlinking, internal linking, all of that sort of stuff. There'll be loads of videos about that. Also, web design. Now, web design is my biggest thing that I love doing. And you'll find loads of different things that you need to include, things that you must have, whether you're a trade business or a coach or whatever it is, all the different elements. We also look at things called sales funnels. So if you've not seen a sales funnel, know what it is, I'll have a series of videos covering sales funnels and everything there that you need to know as well. Okay, so a lot of the questions and things, the videos I'll be creating, I'm going to be creating a lot of Facebook Lives, YouTube Lives, and posting them straight onto here. I'm sure they just automatically post. Okay, and from them, I'm basically going to be answering the questions that my clients are asking me, the most regular things that I get asked all the time about all the different elements of what's going on. This can be from as simple as, what is SEO? Why do we need it? How does my website fit into this? Even, oh, I've got a Facebook page and that's doing fine. Why do I need a website? Oh, why do I need to bother with email marketing? What's the point? I don't understand it. All of these sort of elements, I'm going to look to answer all these questions. So all these questions will be answered and they will be in a video on this channel. So you'll be able to look, and then once I've got more videos, they will be organized so you can actually look into certain groups of videos and see what there is and find the answers to what you're looking for. However, if there is something you particularly want to know or learn about when you're not too sure, just hit me up. Okay, my contact details will be below, so you can just send me an email, a direct email to me, and just get in touch, and I will do my best to answer the question for you and get back to you with the information that you need. So the last thing I want to say is, I've been doing this a long time, and marketing is difficult. Okay, so anybody who's out there telling, oh, it's dead easy, just click your fingers and it'll all happen, it's all magic. I've been doing this since 2007 when I started marketing. It is not easy. There's a lot of steps, there's a lot of things you have to jump through, and you have to have a basic understanding of what's going on. Because if you don't have that understanding, you don't know what you're doing. And what happens is, you end up being a business owner who is spending an absolute fortune hiring agencies that do absolutely bugger all. Okay, and they're just fleecing you and taking your money. With the information you can learn here, you can either take that information, run with it yourself, and apply it into your business, or know what to expect from a marketing agency who's doing the work for you. So you can say, this is what I want, these are the results I want, and this is what I'm expecting from it. So you understand exactly what you're getting for your money that you're paying out. Okay, so I hope that makes sense. I hope you enjoy the channel. If you've got any questions, just email me direct. Otherwise, I'll see you in the channel.